guys, Dottie here. Today we are unboxing Kinder Joy Disney Princesses. So I was at Target the other day and I saw this on the shelf. There was no display or anything. Well, I did open up two for my YouTube short and we got Lumiere and we did get the genie, but there was no collector's guide. So I have no idea what is in this collection. So we got 18 of them. So hopefully we complete this whole collection. And I say hopefully because I have no idea what's in here. So we are going on this journey together. All right, you guys, less chatter, more opening. Let's do this. All right, so here is number one. And this side is the chocolate. I will show you what that looks like. That's what it looks like, and I'm telling you, it smells so good. I cannot wait to eat these. I have 20 to eat, so that's good. And we have, looks like something new. Who is this? Who is this? It looks like we have Flounder. So Flounder is all put together and it's super stinking cute. I love that it goes back and forth. It was a little complicated to put it together, but I'm so glad I did. This is super stinking cute. I'm not sure if I said this already, but I'm going to keep these sealed. Okay, next we have... This is new as well, and it looks like, oh, it looks like it's Ariel. Little Mermaid is my favorite movie. It looks like this is gonna be a dress. Oh, and so far I'm loving, it looks like the little shells. I'm loving this so far. It looks like this goes, the dress goes here. There we go, here we go. Okay, let's put the little feet on. And there is Ariel. Let's put her little dress down. There she is, all put together. It looks like this is a new piece. I'm seeing some purple. All right, from what I can tell, looks like we have a little teacup, so I think this is Mrs. Potts. And it looks like we have Chip. Is that Chip? And we have Chip as well. Piece goes in here. And Mrs. Potts goes here. It looks like we snap her on here. And there's Mrs. Potts and Chip. Stinking cute. All right, so it has this little pointy thing on the bottom, and it looks like we're supposed to spin it. There we go. I love that. Looks like this is new as well, and it looks like we have Belle. Let's put Belle together. And look at her little dress. It has the flowers. Just snap those two together. What to do? It looks like she has a book under her shoulder. It looks like those are books as well. Let's put that down, and it looks like we have Belle. Now I wonder if there's going to be any more pieces to Beauty and the Beast. Okay. And looks like we have another Ariel. I'm not going to put it together because we already have one. And looks like we have another genie. And here's a close-up of what the genie looks like. So I'm guessing maybe it's 3 pieces, like like the main character, the sidekick, or two sidekicks, I should say. And we have another Ariel. And it looks like we have a Pooh. Let's put a Pooh together. And it looks like a Pooh just chills on the magic carpet. Because there's nothing here to really hold him still. Am I missing something? A Pooh will just stand next to the magic carpet. Looks like we have another Belle. And it looks like this is Sebastian. Yay! So this is Sebastian. This is how he comes in the beginning of the movie. So it looks like Sebastian just hangs out like that. And the fish go this way. Let's hook him up in his little claws first. There we go. He goes here. Looks like, oh well. According to the picture, it looks like that's how it's supposed to go. It looks like, I think we're just supposed to roll it. There is a wheel on the bottom. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Under the sea, under the sea. All right, we'll put Sebastian over here. So if I had to guess, I'm guessing that the last one is probably Princess Jasmine, that there are 9 pieces, if I had to guess. So we have, looks like we have Mrs. Potts again. We have 5 more chances. Okay. It looks like we have another Sebastian. Mrs. Potts. We got another Lumiere. All right, 2 more chances to get Princess Jasmine. Oops. All right, Princess Jasmine, are we gonna get you? Another Ariel. All right, come on, Princess Jasmine. This is the last one. All right. And we got her! Yay! Of course, we got her on the very last one. And according to the directions, the dress goes in the back. Let's put this towards the back. Looks like we got it pretty good. So it looks like we take the little foot part off. Oh, okay, I was supposed to do that. But let's get this one little piece off. And this is where her feet step in, so I'm sure it's this way. Does it go this way? Yes, it does. There we go. And there is Princess Jasmine. This is everything we got from today's unboxing. It looks like we got everything. Yay! Nothing brings me more joy and happiness knowing we completed a collection. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do tons of unboxings on my channel. If that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button. All right, you guys, happy hunting, happy unboxing, and have a great flounder day. Bye-bye.